Hey guys, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. Just stepped back inside the van here today. We were out working. We had a kind of an emergency happen. It's been raining the last couple of days, and then the wind picked up today, and it blew the shingles off the top of one of the roofs. So we had to run out and fix it because it's supposed to start raining again, and then, you know, it's just going to be horrible. So I got up on the roof and put the shingles back in place. It's not a fix, it's just a band-aid, but it will work for right now. We're going to have to fix it later. At any rate, what we found out was that whenever they installed the roof, whoever installed it was trying to save some money, cut some corners, and they just used about a third of the fasteners to hold the shingles down that they were supposed to. So that's the reason why whenever strong wind came, it just blew it off. Listen, guys, this roof is almost brand new. I mean, it was an insurance job, came and they insurance paid for them to come do it, and they're kind of stuck because now they're going to have to pay out of pocket to get it fixed. So just trying to tell you guys, this is one of those things where I'm not trying to harp on it, and I don't want to sound negative because sometimes I feel like all I do is talk about problems. But seriously, guys, you may want to consider that not every time a cheaper job is a better job. You want to find out what you're getting whenever you pay for this. So things like this do happen, and of course, you guys are smart. Y'all know that. I'm just telling you to watch out for it and be careful. We want you guys to be successful cabin owners, and whenever you spend money, we want it to be well spent so that you feel like you got your money's worth. What's the old saying? Value is remembered long after price is forgotten. Sometimes it's worth keeping that in mind. If you guys have any questions, comments, let us know what it is that you guys want to know about. We want, like I said, we're here to educate. We want to help people learn how the cabin industry works so that they can be successful cabin owners. So if you know anybody that wants to be in the cabin industry, wants to own a cabin, please send them our way. We'd love to work with them. So at any rate, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. Have a good day.